Hello friends, so let's discuss some practice question for GRE count portion, and we are targeting 170 out of 170 marks in this portion, right? And I have uploaded many videos of this portion, so please go through all the videos and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda and I am former student of IISc Bangalore MTech Mechanical course. In GATE exam, I have secured AR 66 in mechanical background. So here is our very first question on screen, and it is of quantitative comparison type of question. We are given that x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 and x is not equal to 1. We can't take x equal to 1. Quantity A and quantity B are given to us in terms of x, right? 2 into x raised to minus 4 into 3x square and 24 times x divided by 4x square. So we have to compare the quantities, and to compare the quantities we have to simplify them, right? In this state we won't be able to compare them. So let us simplify these quantities. This will become 6 by x, right? And this will become 6 by x square. Yes or no? 3 into 2 is 6. 24 by 4 is 6. X raised to minus 4 will be in denominator. X raised to 2 will be in numerator. It will be x raised to 2 in denominator. Here it will be 6 by x. Now x is greater than 0. So positive quantity. It's a real number, by the way. So what will be that answer? We can't put x equal to 1. So if you put value of x greater than 0 but less than 1, you are putting this value of x, then quantity A will be greater than quantity B, because value is between 0 to 1. So denominator will decrease, right? Denominator will make complete fraction more than this fraction. You can just put value as well. For this case, 6 by x square will be greater than 6 by x. We can put x equal to 0.1. So 0.1 into 0.1, that will be 1 by 100. So it will be 600. And this will become 60. So you will say, sir, quantity A is greater than quantity B. But no, it's not true. If you put value of x in this range, right? If you are writing 100, suppose, and let us assume x equal to 6. Let's assume x equal to 6. Right? X is greater than 1 basically. So 6 by x square, it will become 1 by 6. In this case, 6 by x square will be less than 6 by x. Yes, we can put the value. For x equal to 6, this quantity will become 1 by 6. And this quantity will become 1. Right? So for different values of x, our answer is changing. So we will say option D, the relationship cannot be determined from the information given in the question. Right? If x is in this range, then option A will be correct. Right? Then option A will be correct. And if x is in this range, then option B will be correct. But we can't choose both options. We'll choose option D. Okay. Let us move on the next question. The length of each side of rectangle R is an integer, right? The length of each side of a rectangle R is an integer. The area of R is 36. Area of the rectangle is 36. Both the sides are in integer. Quantity A. The number of possible values of perimeter R. Perimeter of R. What is R? R is a rectangle. The number of possible values of perimeter of R. That is quantity A. Quantity B is 6. We have to compare quantity A with quantity B. Because there will be many rectangles who are having area is 36. Right? So we have to find number of rectangles and we have to find possible number of perimeters, because for different rectangles perimeters might be different, might be same. So how many rectangles will be there whose area is 36 and both sides are in integer? You have to find number of rectangles that is satisfying this condition. What is area? What is area? Length into width, right? That should become 36 and we are allowed to use only integers. Yes. So we can say 1 into 36. We can divide 36 into two factors. We can say 2 into 36. Sorry, we can say 2 into 18, right? Not 36. Multiplication should be 36. We can say 3 into 12. We can say 4 into. Will it be possible or not? No, right? 4 is not a factor of 36. 4 it is, yes. 4 into 9. 5 is not a factor of 36. We can say 6 into 6. So these 5 are major possible cases for sides of rectangle. Right, we can write over here as well. 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9. These all are possible set of rectangles that are having area is 36 unit square, right? So we have to find number of possible perimeters of such rectangles. You can just interchange the sides, but perimeter will remain same, right? So what will be perimeter of this rectangle? 36. What is perimeter? 2 times length plus width. So 36 plus 1, 37 into 2, 74. 18 plus 2, 20 into 2, 40. 12 plus 3, 15 into 2, 30. 6 plus 6, 12 into 2, 24. 9 plus 4, 13 into 2. So we got 5 different values of perimeters. No two perimeters are equal. We can't calculate same value twice. We have to find distinct values. We got 5 values. The number of possible values of perimeter of R is 5, right? There are 5 unique, we can say, rectangles. Satisfying this condition. Quantity B is 6, so we can definitely say 6 is greater than 5. So option B will be correct answer. Quantity B is greater than quantity A. So let us move on the next question. Quantity A and quantity B are given to us. The length of a leg of an isosceles right angle triangle with area R. What is quantity A? There is isosceles right angle triangle whose area is A, R. Right? R is area of this isosceles right angle triangle. What is quantity B? The length of a side of square with area R. There is one square of area R. There is one isosceles triangle, right angle triangle with area R, and we have to compare leg side of this triangle and side length of this square. And we have to choose correct option, right? So we can use basic equations formulas to get this comparison. So if I assume side length of square is B, right? B is side length of this square. Right? What is area of this square? What is area of this square? B square is equals to R, and this is isosceles right angle triangle. For isosceles right angle triangle, these two sides will be equal, right? What does it mean? Two sides, any two sides will be equal. And it is right angle triangle, so hypotenuse will be longest side, right? So we have to take side AB length equal to side BC length, and I have told it is A. What will be area of this right angle triangle? 1/2 into height into base, right? 1/2 into height into base. This will be the area of the triangle, that is R. So 1/2 times A square equal to R, right? We have to find value of A, that is side length, that is leg of this right angle triangle. What will be A from here? Square root of 2R. What will be value of B? Side length of rectangle square of R. So A is square root of 2R, B is square root of R, and we can say quantity A is greater than quantity B, right? You take the ratio, it will become root 2. So this was very easy question. We have to be very quick while solving the questions because time constraint will be there in GRE exam or any other competitive exam. We have to be accurate and get our answer in least possible time. Okay. So this question is challenging, we can say, and is a quantitative comparison type of question, as you can see on the screen. S is a set of 8 numbers. S is a set of 8 numbers, of which 4 are negative and 4 are positive. In set, there are 8 numbers, 4 numbers are positive and remaining 4 numbers are negative. Simple. Let's read quantity and quantity B. The average of the numbers in S. The average in the numbers in S, that is quantity A, and the median of the numbers in S, that is quantity B. What is median? Median is physical middle term when all the numbers are arranged in ascending order. How to find median, right? If you are having this sequence, so I have arranged this sequence in ascending order. I have arranged this sequence in ascending order. Then physically middle term will be median. It has nothing to do with mean. So median will become 5. If I write this sequence, then physically middle term in ascending order. We have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Then median will again become 5, but average is different, right? Average will be different. Median is same, right? So I'm just giving you example. So when you are having odd number of terms, then you are going to get physically middle term. Second term is middle term in 3 numbers. Third term will be, you can say, if I am writing 5 numbers in ascending order, then This third number will be physically middle term and this is median. But when we are having even numbers, total numbers are even, how to find median? So in that case, we are going to arrange them in ascending order. Right? If you want to find median of this, there are 4 terms, right? So we'll be taking average of these 2 terms, right? So in this case, median will become average of these terms. Because middle, it physically middle, this is point, it physically middle, that will be average of these 2 terms, right? On left hand side there are 2 numbers, on right hand side there are 2 numbers. Okay, so in that way you can find median. Okay, now we have to compare this quantity A and B. So I think you got an idea that median can remain same, but you can make change in average according to your requirement, right? So I am writing set S according to given condition. I am writing in ascending order. So I am writing set S for negative integers, for positive integers. So if you will find average, then what will you do? Sum of the numbers divided by 8. Sum will be 0, then average will become 0. Right? This average will become 0. Yes or no? 4 numbers are positive, 4 numbers are negative. Total 8 numbers are there. What is physically middle point? This, on right hand side there are 4 numbers, on left hand side there are 4 numbers. And the median, just take average of these 2. What is median? -1 plus 1 divided by. So in this case, both average and median are equal to 0. Both are equal. Right? Both are equal. Okay. So should we choose option C or should we wait for one more observation? C. Now I am making little change. In place of 4, I am writing 4000. So average will become positive. See, median will remain same, yes or no? Physically middle term is same, 0. I have arranged them in ascending order only. But average will be greater than 0, yes or no? If we'll add these terms, sum will be positive. Positive divided by 8 will be greater than 0. So in this case, we will say, sir, average is, in first case, average was equal to median, right? In second case, average is greater than median because median is 0. And I am making one more case. In place of -4, I am writing -40. So in this case, average will become negative. Sum of the numbers will be negative. Divided by 8, negative. So average is negative, median is still 0. So in this case, we got average less than median. Yes or no? So we'll be choosing option D as correct answer. The relationship cannot be determined from the information given because according to set S, our answer is changing. Right? This was amazing question. In all 3 examples, we have kept median as constant. Physical middle term is median. Right? I also gave you example that for set, I'm writing this set 1, 2, 3. Median is same 2. If I'm writing 0, 2, 3 million is 2 only, right? So thank you guys for watching this video, and do like this video, and see you guys in our upcoming video.